Hey everyone, good morning. So I'm super excited because today I am going to learn how to make maffe lamb. It's a traditional Senegalese dish, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to wash and clean very well all the pieces of meat. Making a soup with all these vegetables. So basically, what we're doing in this video is putting all the pieces of meat in some extremely hot oil to cook it very well to ensure that it's fully cooked before we add the tomato paste, which is this tomato paste right here. You want to add that to give it a little more color, to give it a little bit more flavor, and it goes directly into the meat prior to putting the water, which she's adding now. She's just adding a little bit of water, and it's to kind of remove the stickiness from the bottom of the pot, so it starts to begin to stew. And next, what we're going to do is add the peanut butter. The peanut butter is really what makes the maffe. You know, this is what adds that really nice, like, thick soup, more like a stew, actually. And so you want to add a lot of peanut butter. Now, granted, you know, some people put more, some people put less peanut butter. In this household, Big Mama's house, they like to, well, you know, really, Fatu is his wife, and she's the one that is an amazing cook, like hands down one of the best homes in terms of like food that I had been to while I was there. Yeah, so they add a lot of peanut butter, as you can see right there. I did write down the recipe, so I will have in the link below the actual recipe of how it's made, because, you know, there's really no measurements, you know, it's just, you just cook. As you can see, the lettuce is being added. You know, you definitely want to put the lettuce and the carrots and the squashes first, because those are the things that take longer to cook. And then at the very end, which I didn't show you, but you add the different peppers and that kind of stuff, because it's just really to add flavor at the very end. And there you have it. There's your maffe. And this is Maffe de Boeuf. This is the beef version. You can do the beef one or the lamb. It would be the same thing in terms of how to cook it. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it.